I got the crucible out. As you can see, I am cooling down the microwave over there. I did increase the times from the live that I had just done. We've actually been sintering here for about 80 minutes, swapping between the 1100 watt and the 900 watt. We have finished the sinter cycle. I'm not quite sure how it's going to go, and set those over there. So let's see what we got. Interesting. So look at that. The yellow coloring, that's a good sign. We're going to try to clean this up a little bit further. You see that metal? So, what does it sound like? It feels solid and it taps solid and it makes very satisfying clinky noises when you drop it on the table.